Well, g'day viewers, I managed to get the servo power supply to fit in here. I got the ATX connector for the CPU socket to fit in, the power socket. What I've done to get that 8-pin plug to fit in the 4-pin socket, it's the right polarity and everything, but the other 4, where that little, turn a light on here, where that little toe rod is, a filter toe rod. But to very carefully just cut the tiniest bit of plastic off the bottom of those, that socket there that's not used. Very carefully shave the corner of it off so that stays plugged all the way in, and that's better. That'll still work. This tight case, boy, it's a tight case. It's a nice case, but I'm going to determine to use it. Just means I got to pull everything apart again just to put the RAM in it when it comes. So anyway, such a tight fit in here. This thing will work good. Alright. Now is to put everything back together, plug everything back in and give it a good test. This will be a much better power supply, even though it's only a 350 watts. Yeah, 350 watts versus 460. And I had a similar graphics card should still be alright because it ran with that graphics card in the server alright and it didn't send a complaint, so this isn't any much more powerful at all, so it should still run the same. It's not much more heavy load in that power supply than it was when it was in the server with that graphics card in it. I loaded this thing up with a burn-in test with that graphics card in the server and that sound card and everything and didn't send the complaint, so it should be alright on this machine. FSP Group, they're a server power supply manufacturer, made to run for hours and hours and hours non-stop, these power supplies. With a fan like that, it should be running much cooler in this machine, so let's put it all back together. I did damage the CPU coil a bit, unfortunately. It bent the crap out of it trying to get the bloody thing back in because it's so tight in here. Damn it. Really left that one, didn't I? Bugger. Anyway, that's because it's such a tight damn fitting case, but I like it, so it's only cosmetic. All back together, everything's all plugged in. As I said, I did some burn-in tests with this power supply in that server, with the graphics card and everything loading it up. It doesn't send the complaint, so I think it's good. I made sure I load this thing up with a fully loaded the graphics card and everything to make sure the power supply wasn't complaining. And there it didn't send the complaint, so I don't see why it wouldn't complain on this machine. Anyway, it's all put back together. That fan's going to suck a lot more air in, so the fan that big should hopefully keep this machine a bit cooler. I'm going to try and get some more, hold of some more computer fans too. Put one here, and another one on the front, because I put them all on this machine, which it needs. Yeah, much better. Anyway, I'll still try and repair this power supply, but I think it's just too much of a piece of garbage. I don't want to risk it wrecking a good computer. I'll try and recap it as I can, but yeah. I think it might be more to it. I reckon this chip might have gone bad somewhere. It's not given enough regulation of the 5-volt rail. Let's see how good this motherboard runs now. It should run better with that power supply anyway. It's a better brand. This is just too cheap. Way too cheap. Yeah. Not a good power supply. I might try replacing some more caps just for the hell of it, see what it does, but I'll try and fix it all I can. It's still going strong. I'll try and keep it, preserve it. It's good to have a spare. Anyway, let's see if I can get this thing all tested and give it a good test to see how it performs now. I can't really do nothing until this finishes uploading. I need to use a Wi-Fi dongle out of it. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.